Okay, so for yet the next concept we should be looking at is quite something that is challenging in our societies of today. This is what is known as adolescent pregnancy. Adolescent pregnancy. So adolescent pregnancy is just basically somebody giving birth to and the person is under the age of 20, right? So I don't really know. You could have the good sides, could have the bad sides. With the bad sides being the most. One of it could be that maybe the person is not really matured yet, to handle a baby, like giving birth. So it could cause a lot of trauma to the person. It could be that the person has not even finished taking care of their self. Now you are adding another baby, and most of the times maybe it's pregnancies they got out of wedlock. So you know the dad is basically running away. You understand? So adolescent pregnancy is also known as teenage pregnancy. So it's when a girl under the age of 20 becomes pregnant. All right. It's a global issue with profound health consequences, social consequences, economic consequences for the mother that is so young and for the child and the society. So each year, 21 million girls aged about 15 to 19 in low and middle income countries they become pregnant. 12 million of them eventually give birth. Okay, so about 55% of unintended adolescent pregnancies they end in abortion. It's often unsafe. Right now, make the girl completely barren for life. So girls aged 10 to 14 also face pregnancy with an estimated 332,000 births annually in sub-Saharan Africa alone. So health risks is this: she can be exposed to what eclampsia. All right, that's why I told her that she's not really ready to take care of things, infections, low birth weight. The baby wasn't even feeding well. All right. So another funny thing in our society is most girls like this, they just neglect them, they insult them. Okay. So maternal mortality is also a leading cause of death for girls aged 15 to 19. Babies born to adolescent mothers are more likely to be premature or have a low birth weight. All right. So social and economic impact is many adolescent mothers they usually drop out of school. Their futures are basically halted. Increased vulnerability to poverty and exclusion, gender-based violence, right? So early pregnancies often result from what? Child marriage, sexual abuse, lack of access to contraception, right? Prevention strategies is what? Comprehensive sexuality education for all these are young people that are still in school. Access to youth-friendly reproductive health services, empowerment programs that can build self-esteem and life skills. Because some of these girls they get exposed to these men simply because they don't have the least to take care of themselves. All right. So legal protection against child marriage and sexual violence. Okay. So that was what adolescent pregnancy entails.